Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make your taskbar smaller in Windows 11, you are at the right place. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to adjust the taskbar size using simple built-in settings. No risky changes involved. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come into the settings of your Windows. Over here you need to simply just go to the display settings. So here in the left hand section, this will be your system. So in your system you will see display option. Now over here you need to just scroll down and try to find the option of display resolution. Over here you can just click on it and you can scale it under the scale and layout, and if it is set to 125% over here, you can switch it to 100% so that your taskbar and your screen also changes just like so. So this will shrink everything on the screen including the taskbar, and it is going to basically give you a more compact layout. Now if I click on this back again, it is the recommended resolution for my laptop. Now if you want even more space, you can set the taskbar to the auto hide. For that you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on personalization. Here in your personalization, go to taskbar. In your taskbar settings, you need to simply scroll down and select the option of automatically hide the taskbar. Now your taskbar will only appear when you move your mouse to the bottom edge of the screen. That is very neat and clean. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.